Yeah, 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 yeah. I told my girl, look, love ain't enough. Relationships suck and being single ain't tough. See, it's cute at the start, Instagram pictures and stuff, but infatuation tends to fade. Better believe she'll call your bluff, cause when it hits that point she knows. You walk in and out she goes, arguing over bullshit while you out with your bros. Love is a physical sport, so stay on your toes. Jealousy's a bad seed, but like a planet grows. No longer fully invested, you're pulling away and it shows. It all fades to black like a dying rose. While you recording all day, shit, that's the life I chose. In the same room, but you're still miles away. It's a deafening silence when you have nothing to say. And when you do, all you do is shout. Piss me off, I walk out. Then you text me, I love you, and I forget what I was mad about.
We tried it, we tried for so long, so long. Why did you do me so wrong, so wrong?
So we're back at square one. I wanna hear that you believed I wanna hear that we're done. Anxious and afraid like I'm staring down a gun. It's so cold without you here, cause your love was the sun. When did we change and stop having fun? Was it the first time I hurt you or the first time I let you hurt me? Patience is a virtue, but I wasn't giving any to the world. I'm Barack, but to you I'm Benny. Long summer nights, sipping on some Henny. When you look for a dime, you just end up with a penny. So I wasn't searching, but you found me. Didn't have to guess your feelings, you said them clear and loudly. Don't ever let it go, don't ever be outy. Feisty from the go, yeah, you were kinda rowdy. No one will ever know the things that you know about me. I do wanna trust you, but something won't allow me. Maybe I'm just insecure, maybe I'm just unsure, but I really need a solution, I really need a cure. I gotta change before it's too late. There's only so much time that you'll be willing to wait. I gotta make it happen, otherwise all that we were, all we will be will disintegrate.
We tried it, we tried for so long, so long. Why did you do me so wrong, so wrong? If you love me, come and find me. If you want me, come and claim me. If you love me, say you need me to keep me. Won't be easy.
You either fight for the truth or surrender to a lie. Me and you were so close, what got between you and I? My word against yours and all you do is deny. So I can tell you won't break. Question is, will I? Distance and time, not on our side. Only you can truly tell what you're feeling inside. But when it's all said and done, my heart's in your hands, arms open wide. I promise you that I'm here if you're still by my side.